Hey, I'm Adam with Adam's Welding. Today we got a little welding job, so I got the welder in the back of the truck. This is the shop truck at work. I'm borrowing to do this job because Big Blue's still down. But we got a little job to weld some drop brackets on a 1967 Ford Bronco. So stay tuned. So I've now gotten to the job site where the Bronco is, and this is the bracket we'll be welding on. This here drop bracket that goes there. It just basically covers that and gets welded right over top of it. And real quick before I get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I decided just to fast forward through the cleanup process, and I ended up not recording the actual welding process because it was too dark to actually see anything. But I got some pictures I'll show afterwards of the finished product, and I actually think it came out pretty good. And as you can see, it might not be the prettiest, but it sure will hold. And that's all we really want in the end. It's 8:30 at night. I just got done with that little welding job. Came out pretty decent like y'all saw. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little bell and notifications to get notified of all my future videos. So until next time, keep on welding, folks.